Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is If this is your first time coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. On this channel, we talk about everything, motherhood, lifestyle, and just things I love to do generally in my day-to-day activities as a mom. I'm a mom of two cute boys, and with time, you get to see more of them on this channel. And to my amazing subscribers, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate your love. Thank you for always coming back. I know a lot of you will be looking at me and be asking yourself that this lady, it's been a long time, where have you been? It's just that I took a break. Okay, I needed that break, but right now, to the glory of God, I'm back and we'll continue where we stop. Okay, so today's video I want to talk about cheating, and this video is directed to women. Okay, so without talking too much, let's dive down into this video where I'll be sharing with you all about cheating and why you, as a woman who has been bothering yourself why your husband is cheating on you, what are the things you can do. Okay, today I have come with a secret. Okay, I'll be showing you something that you can use, okay, to actually stop your husband from cheating and make him stay indoor with you. Okay, so let's dive down into today. Welcome back again. Like I said earlier, today's video is for women. Okay, a lot of women have been bothering about the reason why their husband keeps cheating on them, and some of them have also lost themselves in the process of trying to figure out why this man is cheating on them, things they can do, and all that. A lot of women, if you see them, you really feel so sorry for them, because a lot of them go the extra mile, do a lot of things just to keep their husband back home, stop their husbands from cheating and all that, and still they are not getting any result. Okay, so today's video I want to tell you the reason why your husband is cheating on you and how you can actually stop him from cheating. Okay, so the first thing you must know is that men are visual beings. Yes, they are attracted by what they see. Okay, and the second point is, for a man who cheats, it's actually a choice he has made. Okay, it's something he has thought about and he has decided to do it, and it's not because of you. It's not because you did anything wrong. It's not because of the way you are dressed. It's not because you or your appearance. It's because he has taken the decisions, okay, to actually cheat. Okay, and I do not need you to beat yourself over that reason that, oh, I'm attractive, I look good, I do this, I try to be the best wife, I try to do everything possible just to please my husband, and yet he's cheating on me. The problem here is that you are not the problem. Okay, you need to clear that doubt from your heart. You are not the problem. The issue is the man is confused. The man does not know what he wants as a human being. Yes, it's an indecisive man. Okay, for me personally, men that cheat are men that are indecisive. Okay, so today I want to tell you, as a woman, something you can do to actually stop your husband from cheating. Okay, so the very first thing you can do as a woman to stop your man or your husband from cheating is to add value to yourself. I know you're shocked. Yes, add value to yourself. Place a price on yourself. And when I mean add value to yourself, there are a lot of things you can do to actually keep your mind busy. Instead of you wondering, instead of you pursuing your husband's side chick or calling her up to release your husband, you don't need all those stress. You don't need all those energy. He has decided to cheat. He has decided to fornicate or whatever. Okay? That is not your problem. My only issue is add value to yourself. Okay, there are so many things you can do these days, especially from online. There are so many things you do not know. Use that energy, that time you're using to check your husband's phone, you're using to call side chick, to invest in yourself. Okay, let him cheat because he wants to do it, and there's absolutely nothing you can do. Okay, and if you're scared, if you're afraid that, oh, if I don't if I don't talk about it, or if I don't check on what he's doing, what if he now comes and infects me with something that is not mine? That is where your rubber comes in. Yes, and when I mean rubber, you all know what I'm talking about, because I want to be careful with my choice of words here. Okay, that is where your rubber actually comes in. Give him rubber to use, because right now you do not trust him with your body. Yes, even if he wants to get angry, it's not your fault, because in the first place, you are not the one who asked him to cheat. You are not the one who told him, oh, you can do whatever you want to do. He decided to do that, and therefore the consequences should not be placed on you. You shouldn't share in that burden in case anything happens. Okay, give him rubber to use, so that at least you can be secured. You know that, oh, whatever happens, you are protected. Okay, the second thing I also need you to do as a woman that your husband is cheating is to keep yourself busy. Find something to do. I'm telling you, if you're busy, you don't even have that time. In fact, it will not even cross your mind, because you're busy. You're thinking of the next thing or the next task to do. Okay, if you do not have a job, try to get a job. If you don't know, probably you do not want the 9 to 5, you just want to be a businesswoman, fine, look for businesses to do. Or probably you want to be like probably a skilled person, like maybe being a fashion designer or a baker. Keep yourself busy. There are courses you can take these days. Okay, when your mind is busy, you do not even have time. Trust me, you do not even have time, and before you know it, your husband himself will be bothered that, oh, my wife doesn't even, send me or even see these things I do. And probably that could also give him a change of heart, because you don't see him. You're not investing your energy on whether he's cheating or whether he's not cheating, or trying to check who he called last, or who he did. Because by the time you check, keep checking. Okay, you keep checking on your husband's phone, or checking on his calls, checking on his emails, and every other thing. You're giving yourself hypertension. Yes, because that thing can actually kill you. Have you wondered why, when you go to the psychiatric home, we have lots of women than men? Yes, because a lot of women, we just want to fix these men. These men are not babies. They are adults. They are mature, and they can take decisions from themselves. So like I said earlier, it's a decision. It's something that he wants to do, and you have no control over it. It's not your fault. It's not your problem. So don't kill yourself. Don't beat yourself up. It's something that he wants to do. But all I'm saying is protect yourself and try to invest in yourself. Stop bothering yourself of whether he's cheating or whether he's not cheating. He has the time, he has the money, he has the resources to cheat, and that's why he's cheating. Yes. And another thing I want to talk about is we, the women. Okay, some of us are the reason why this men actually cheats. Yes, because majority of women I see these days, they want to be the breadwinner, they want to be the provider. And I don't know when we started changing these rules. We are Africans, and the way we are molded is that the man is supposed to take care of us, and not the other way around. Because I see a lot of women these days, they want to carry the whole burden on their head, and I don't understand. When you begin to carry the whole load, or you begin to play the role of a provider, what do you now want the man to do with his resources? Of course, he will cheat, because he has the money. He believes that, oh, he has one superwoman at home. He has money. So he will look for the other person outside to spend that money on. So I need you as a woman to allow these men be men, okay? First, you're a helpmate and not a provider. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying don't help your husband. You know when to help your husband. You don't even need anybody to tell you. You know. But when it comes to being the provider, allow these men be men and stop playing their role, okay? So the fourth thing I also need you to do as a woman is to be happy. Yes, be happy. Take your eyes off the reason of, oh, my husband is cheating on me, oh, what can I do? And you're bothering yourself. Just be happy. Make yourself happy, because your happiness can only come from you. Nobody can make you happy except yourself. So you have to make that decision to make yourself happy, okay? Find happiness in things you do. Go out with friends. Yes, if you are the type that likes to party, go out for your party. Enjoy yourself. Be free. Don't kill yourself with hypertension. Don't kill yourself with thinking and, oh, what can I do? What can I do to make my husband stay at home? To help my husband, to stop my husband from cheating and all that. Please, don't enjoy yourself. Make yourself happy. Look good for you and not for anybody. For yourself. okay, so that you can live long to also take care of your children. Because trust me, when you're busy killing yourself, oh, why is my husband cheating? I see a lot of women even go to church to pray about these things, and I just smile, like I just smile. When you're praying for him, who is also going to pray for you? A lot of women have killed themselves in the process of trying to find out, oh, what can I do to keep my husband at home, or what can I do to stop him from cheating? Madam, it's a decision. He is an adult. He wants to do the things he wants to do, so allow him do it, because only him by himself, when he gets tired, he will stop cheating. Yes, only him by himself, because there's a way you keep doing something, you by yourself, you get bored or get tired and you stop it. It's not by your talk, because if it is by talk, a lot of men would not be cheating. If it is by talk, a lot of men will not be cheating. Yes, I said what I said. If it is by talking, by quarreling, by killing yourself, oh, a lot of men would have changed by now, and there will be nothing as cheating. So just relax. Relax yourself, enjoy your children, enjoy your marriage, enjoy your husband, okay? Let him do whatever he wants to do. You just try to invest in yourself, try to grow, okay? Because another thing you don't know is, when you're not growing, these men, they know tomorrow he will look for a woman that will meet his standard. So please try and invest in yourself, and leave that energy, that negative energy of trying to find out or trying to call the side chick. Please, you don't need all those. Please, it's just a waste of your time. That time, invest it in doing the right thing. All the things I've listed out. Please take care of you. Most importantly, you come first, okay? In your family, in your marriage, you are the most important person, because if anything happens to you, the family suffers. Yes, your kids will suffer, and I know you don't want that. So take care of your health, okay? Take care of yourself enough. Be full before you can give to any other person. Instead of you bothering yourself, why not take care of yourself, invest in yourself, and do things to elevate yourself from where you are right now, okay? So these are just a few tips I want to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned one or two things, okay? And if you do not agree with me, please leave it in the comment section, and please be respectful about your comments, okay? Because we are all here to learn, all right? So guys, without talking too much, this is where I come to the end of today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.